In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an NHS Jobs profile in the new NHS Jobs website, not the old one, because if you have a profile in the old NHS Jobs website, it is not going to carry over into the new NHS Jobs profile. And if you already know about the beginning, about the new and the old, and you just want to see how to create an account, you can use the timestamp below to jump straight to the actual creation of the job profile. We're going to cover how to fill out an application form later on in another video. This one is just to show you how to create a profile before you can start using it. So let's begin. So what you're looking at currently is the old NHS Jobs website, and this right here is the new NHS Jobs website. And currently, as you can see, it's still in a beta phase at the moment, so it's not yet completed. That's why if you want to apply for a job, you will have to come to the old NHS website initially. And then I've already picked out a search result, physiotherapist. I'm just going to click any random one and show you what will happen. It's going to then tell you that you're going to be taking over to the new NHS Jobs website, and applicant information is moving to the new NHS Jobs website. Yeah, it will then take you to the new NHS Jobs website, where you will then have to create an account, ideally, before you can then apply for the job. However, some jobs, if you click on them, I'm not going to do it now because it's going to start loading, will take you to another website. So it'll take you to something like Track Jobs or another profile, another place where the job is actually housed for you to make your application. So there are about two different places where you can make two or more different places where you can actually make your application. NHS Jobs website is just one of them. Some of them will take you to another website entirely. As you can see, when you click on this one and you try and apply, it's going to ask you to create an account. I already have an account at the moment, but I'm going to blur this out so you can see my email address that I use for it. So now we're going to go into how to create the account with the NHS Jobs, the new one. So now we're going to go into the NHS Jobs creation. Just come into the account. You can accept the cookies. You can accept the cookies. That's not really relevant. You create your account. Okay, so then I'm just going to put in a name. I'm going to delete this account afterwards anyway. So I'm going to use John Doe. I'm going to blur this part out as well. So after you create your password, comply. Yes, you can read the terms of yourself as you choose to. You're going to create your account. Boom, your account has been successfully created. Delete this. And so your account is more or less completed at this time. So what's actually happened now is your account has only been created. It only recognizes, as you can see at the top, it just shows you your name. This is your account. When you sign out, you want to sign back in, and all applications that you make will be housed on this website now. So if you're applying for a job, this is where you will come back to continue your application before the time actually expires. If you forget to weigh which application you made, you can come back here and find the applications. The only thing is that for each application, that's where you would actually need to go into more detail. And previously, unlike the old NHS Jobs, where it could save a set number of data for you, in terms of it could just save some of your personal data, your name, your number, your email address, things that don't tend to change. This NHS Jobs website, so how I found it, is that you would have to make one for a new job. And then if you do it again, you might have to do it again, but you have to at least make a job application first, fill out some of the details, and then that one gets sent off, and you might have to redo it again and again for every job application you actually want to make, which I think is a bit longer. I might be wrong about that, but I think that's a bit different to the previous job applications, how it used to work. Very short video that there's a difference between the old NHS Jobs and the new NHS Jobs, so you don't get confused and try and create an application or an account on the old jobs website, because it's not going to be valid anymore. Eventually, they are going to move all things from the old NHS Jobs website onto the new NHS Jobs website. Thank you for watching.